There's a few things we've learned growing up when working on our vehicles. 1, never rely on the floor jack, and 2, always use the factory jack points. Sometimes the floor jacks just fail, or if you don't use the factory jack points, you can damage your vehicle. This is the AGA Jack Rod Stand. A 100% mechanical device that supports your floor jack. Let me show you how it works. Here, we have both wheels off the ground. As you can see, there's no room to fit a traditional jack stand. And also look at the size difference. This device locates right here on the jack. Simply lower the floor jack, and the AGA Jack Rod Stand will click right into place. That easy. Now you can get under the vehicle safely, perform whatever task you have at hand, and not have to stress about the floor jack failing on you. With a 2-ton load rating, the AGA Jack Rod Stand is a compact, light, and safe solution around the shop, at the racetrack, a mobile technician, and much more. Get your Jack Rod Stand today at agatools.com.